Today's client has sent their glasses into the Blue Street Crystal studio to be rhinestone embellished. For this embellishment, we are using Preciosa non-hotfix flatback crystals in SS5, 7, 9, 12 and 16, and the colour is jet. We are storing each of the crystal sizes separately in their own magic sorting trays, and because we want this surface to be both hard-wearing and weatherproof, we need to sand it down slightly so that there is a key for our glue to stick to. And this is all it needs, just enough so that there is a rough texture. And now we're going to use E6000 plus resin glue and an applicator syringe with a wax picker pen, and now we're going to apply the thinnest possible layer to this surface. We don't want that glue squidging up around the edges and obscuring the facets on the front of the crystal, and I am using a scatter embellishment style which uses all of the available sizes. After a drying time of a few hours, these glasses are rhinestoned and ready to wear. The crystals, glue and tools I used can all be found at bluestreetcrystals.com, and be sure to like and follow if you enjoyed this video.